Collisions with deer are most common in October, November, and December in Illinois.
Yeah, the Department of Transportation says there were more than 15,000 deer vehicle crashes in the state last year. And I found out today those collisions can do a lot of damage.
It was just after dark, and one came out of the ditch. It was a buck, and ran right into the side and hit the front windshield, took out the mirror, put a dent in the door.
How did that make you feel?
Well, I was wearing my seatbelt. That's what I was glad.
Ellen Schleckow is one of many Coles County residents who have hit a deer, but wearing her seatbelt helped out more than she thought, says Porter Auto Body employee Bob Bennett.
The value of a hit between $3,500 and $5,500, and that's if you're wearing your seatbelt. If you're not wearing your seatbelt, it can go up a few more $1,000s because when you're not wearing a seatbelt, then the sensitivity of airbags go up.
Bennett says more and more vehicles are starting to come into the shop with damage from deer accidents, but why?
You got crops coming out in rut season, makes deer run more. They're being chased out of their habitat by crops coming out, and they're chasing to continue production of their own kind, right?
Schleckow says this rise in accidents can be traumatizing.
If there's one that crosses in front of you, there may be 2 or 3 behind him. They're not necessarily a single, and they can be very spooky, and you just never know.
While it can be scary, Bennett says the right reaction to seeing a deer may not be what you think.
When you have an incident with a deer, things you need to look out for your own well-being is to maintain your own lane, not to swerve, because getting out of your own lane can cause you to lose control of your vehicle and cause an accident with someone else. If you have an accident that is caused from swerving, your situation will become a collision instead of a comp claim, which then is a penalty against your insurance. Comprehensive is no fault type situation. Hitting a deer doesn't sound humane, but it's the right thing to do to help maintain your lane.